What's going on, Fierce fam? We are in the Sprinter on the way to Orlando.
You got the Sprinter van, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, a little tour. That's my section.
Y'all can't really see Chrissy. Let me see. See if I can y'all can see. And we got about 4 more hours left till we get to Orlando. I'm ready to get a tan, y'all. We got Terry. Why is he on the floor?
But yeah, man, we about there. Let's just stop. You looking good? Oh, I'm looking good. I don't know about him. I'm looking kind of sharp right now. How you looking, Yagi?
Back it up a little. Back up a little. We chilling. We here. Feel good out here. You ready to make the content. You see the nights. We fresh.
Here come the Duke.
Fam, good morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to run to the store. We couldn't do it yesterday because we were tired. Y'all, a 6-hour drive took us 9-10 hours and we was just over it. So I'm about to go to the store and get some stuff to cook for breakfast and take y'all with me. Literally just came to Walmart to get a couple things for the kids to have breakfast. No, didn't work like that. Me and baby girl about to go to the pool. I'm about to get a tan. I'm excited. We both got our little black bikinis on. I'm gonna give y'all a fit check later. Oh, we got a traffic jam. I'm scared to leave that. What's going on, Fierce fam? Chrissy about to go to the water park. This is our last day, y'all. Did I check in yesterday? Yeah, I did. Y'all, so we in the line. Christiana wants a slushy, but I just gotta show y'all this. So my son gonna call him some girl. Let me show y'all. I'm trying to sneak and do it. Hold on. It's good. So we have just checked out. I'm tired. I had a long night. We'll talk about that later. But we at Waffle House. We just stopped at Waffle House. The kids something to eat real quick.